And now let's continue the discussion about orientation to university life. Before that, let me first introduce myself. I am Jimpolis Albopera, 24 years old from the College of Education. And now let's proceed. First is, what specific challenge, issue, change have you encountered as a new student? For me, is the financial constraint. One challenge I faced was financial constraints. My academic year, limited resources meant I had to make a difficult choice, such as a priority essential expenses over my extracurricular opportunities or personal needs. This challenge for me to the values of budgeting and creative problem solving, but also had limited my ability to full focus on how my studies. Despite the obstacle, I developed lessons to guide me in managing challenge effectively. What specific is you on? Roles and responsibilities that was affected. For me, is respect. The others students to discrimination and harassment based on their ethnicity, gender, religion, and other protected status. Next is community. The positive community is disruptive action, which is even the bullying students show disregards part of campus and community. The next is empathy. Empathy usually involves demonstrating care, understanding, and consideration for others. And now let's proceed. What first 21st century skills will help you manage overcome such challenge issues change? For me is financial literacy. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy is how to manage your money wisely. Includes your understanding how to save to spend money, such as to guide and help your daily life. The next is, what will possibly happen once you manage such challenge issue change? For me, when you manage and challenge issue or change successfully, good thing can happen. You might learn now skills, solve the problem, and face more confident. It can also improve relationship between the other people, open up now opportunities, and make you stronger for the future. Mindful, proud of what you are, and to survive. That's all, everyone. Thank you.